Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Balqis Binti Mior, and I'm from IM222 Diploma in Information Management. Today we are going to present about our project, which is Project 2. Let's go to our second presenter.
Hi, my name is Mohamad Zulkarnain Misman, and I'm student Diploma of Information Management, and I'm from Group N5 IM104D.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Muzaffar bin Munir, Diploma in Information Management. I am from IN5 IM104D.
Hi everyone, my name is Ariff Khairuddin, and student of Diploma of Information Management and a class from N5IM 104D.
Hi, my name is Nursyaza Aida Binti Azuan Amin, and I am a diploma student in Information Management and from class IM104D.
Okay, so for the first part of the project 2, which is the installation of media disks, we must first click the media creation tool after we had downloaded the Windows 10. This is to set up the Windows 10. And as you can see, the applicable notices and license term are shown. And now we just have to click the accept button. We click the create installation media for another PC, as my friend show, and we click next, and we click the ISO file and click the button next and save in the Windows 10 VirtualBox folder. As you can see, the process of downloading Windows 10 really take a long time, so in this case we have to be very patient. This may take a moment. Alright, and now we don't need to burn the ISO file to a DVD since we will transfer the Windows 10 into the VirtualBox. So we just click the next button and after that we just click the Windows 10 VirtualBox where the Windows ISO had been had been in had been installed in the folder. We click the VirtualBox, and as you can see, this will shown up on the screen, and we click the next button, next, and click yes, and then we click install. This also may take a moment, so we really just have to wait until the program settles. Alright, after that we just have to click the finish button, and now we click the VirtualBox. We click the new option, and this will show up on the screen. For the name and operating system, it will be Windows 10 and 64 bits. There's some mistake there. Alright, as you can see, the version also Windows 10 and 64 bits. Then we click the next button, next, create, next, next. And for the file location and size, the minimum size is 50 GB. But in this case, since we need the more space for the project, we decided to click 90 GB. Okay, now click the settings, click storage, and there's an empty option, and we click that symbol to remove. This is a process where we need to transfer the Windows 10 into the virtual box. So we click the add button and we click the Windows ISO and click open, click choose and add optical drive, click add and click www.iso and open and choose. And that's all in order to transfer the Windows. And click OK.
Okay, so after this, we want to press the start button. Okay, the green one. So just press start. Okay, so you can see, okay, like this on your monitor. Okay, so for this part, just for time and currency format, just click in the box and select Malaysia. Okay, so we want to search Malaysia, so just scroll it down. Until you find Malaysia. Okay, so then press next. Okay, so for the install the Windows, so just press install now. Okay, so as you can see, setup is starting. Okay, so for this activate Windows, so I don't have a product key, just press I don't have a product key. And then for this, we must select the Windows 10 Pro because we want to create a group account, so we need the Windows 10 Pro. After that, press the next button. Okay, so applicable notice and license terms, click on in the box. Okay, so I accept the term and license terms, and then next, and after that click custom. Okay, and then you can see this and press the next button. Okay, so now we're installing the Windows. Okay, so just wait until it's done. Okay, so Windows need to restart to continue. Okay, so just wait. Okay, okay, so now we already installed the Windows 10 in the virtual box. Okay, loading. Okay, just wait, just waiting. Okay, Okay, just wait. Keep waiting. Okay, so for this, of course, select region Malaysia. After that, click yes. Okay, so keyboard layout US, and then okay, just click yes. Okay, so for this, just skip.
Okay. Wait a loading screen. Now, set up your personal or organization use for this Windows. So I will set for personal use and then press next. Continue with sign in your personal Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create new account and then press next. Okay, set your password and then press next. Okay, you can create a pin for this Windows. You can also include the letters and symbols. Then press OK. You can choose your privacy setting, accept, device sorry, OK. Then you can add your phone number, but I will do it later. You can backup your file with OneDrive. Next. Okay, you can try for Microsoft 360, but not now. Okay, wait another loading screen. Okay, now you have installed your Windows. Okay, you will see a network. Say okay. And then close the Microsoft Edge. Okay, now I will show how to show desktop icon in my computer. Right click and then choose personalize. Then go to theme. Under the theme, there is a setting that call under this theme. You will see a desktop icon setting, and you can tick all of it. Then press OK. You will see my computer, recycle bin, network, document, and control panel. Then I will show how to change your wallpaper. Go to my PC, select wallpaper, and right click on the wallpaper. Choose set as desktop background. Now you have a new wallpaper. I will show how to install device driver. Right click, then device manager. Go to any driver. And right click on the driver. Okay, select update driver and then browse my computer driver from my computer, and then like that, and press next. Now you have installed your driver. Okay, that's all.
Hi, my, hi, I am the fourth presenter, which is Ariff. For the next part is we will do the disk management, or the other term is disk partition. I want to advise you to do this part carefully. This step requires you to firstly click on the Windows icon and click on disk management. Then you need to right click in the box which is located in the disk column. Next, you need to left click on the showing volume and wait for a couple seconds. Thus, you need to enter the amount of space to show it in megabyte. The amount is 10,000 and click the showing button. And then you need to wait for a couple seconds. The next step is you need to click on the unallocated box and click on new simple volume. Then click next button and click it again for the second time. Thus, you need to change the volume label from new volume to tutorial. And click next. Then click it finish. In addition, now you have changed the label of it from unallocated to tutorial. Okay, for the next step is you need to set up virtual memory. You need to do this by opening the system tab, then click on advanced system setting. And click on setting button in the performance allocation. After that, you need to click on the advanced tab and click on the change button. Then you open the virtual memory setting and you need to uncheck the box in automatically part. Next, you need to click on the custom size option. Besides, you should change the initial size MB to 1200 and also the same amount for the maximum size. After this, that part you need to click on the set button, thus click on the OK button. Then when the warning tab pop up, you need to click OK. Furthermore, you have changed the paging file size and you need to click apply and OK. After that, click on X icon and click it again, and you are done for this part. Next, move on to the next part, which is create a user account. Firstly, you need to click on Windows icon and click it on setting icon. Secondly, click on accounts icon. Then click on family and other users account. Then click it again for the second time. Finally, you need to wait for a couple seconds. After it's done, you need to click on either have this person sign in information. Then you need to wait for a moment, and when the create account tab opens, you need to click on add a user without a Microsoft account choice. After that, when the create a user file for this PC tab opens, you need to enter the username and click on next button. For the username, you can put it whatever you want. After it is done, you can add another person to this PC by doing this part again. So this part, you will add another person. Also, if you want to add another person, you can add to total of 3 person in this user for this PC place. And now you are done for the number. And now you are done for number 4, 5, and 6 steps. Furthermore, the fifth presenter will take my place for the next step. That's all for me. Thank you.
So I'm going to present the last part of this project, which is operating system installation. So for the next step, we have to create a group account, which is you have to click on the local users and group and click the groups file, and you have to click again, right click and create a new group. So enter the group name, which is guest, and add. Enter the member's name, which is guest 1, and click the check names and OK button. So this is guest 1. For the description, enter the tutorial and click the add button. Enter again the members, which is guest 2, and create a group account. Oh, the account already exists, so we have to change the group name. We have to change as guest room. And create. So this is how you create a group account. As you can see, there is a guest room, which is we already created just now. Okay, for the next step is sharing a folder. So you have to click on the wallpaper folder, right click, and give access to specific people. So you have to choose the people to share, which is guest 1, and click the add button, and guest 2, and click the add button again and share. So you have to wait for a few minutes, be patient. Okay, the folder is shared, so click the done button. The next step is running the task manager. So you have to click down there and click the more details. So there is a process, performance. So you can see the CPU speed is 1.8T, memory of 1.5 GB, disk capacity 90 GB, and also Ethernet. So for the last step is running the device manager. So this is how you run the device manager, and that's all. So as a final part, I'm going to conclude what we have learned during the operating system installation, which is we have learned on how to install and setting up the virtual machine, and how to perform the installation of operating system using the virtual machine, such as perform the disk partition, installing device drivers, running task manager, running the device manager, create user account, and also group account. So apart from what we have learned step by step during doing the operating system installation, we have also learned the benefits of virtual machine or VirtualBox, which is it is a free software where everyone can install it. It is also an easier software installation where software retailers can use virtual machine to ship entire software configuration, and also it can run in multiple operating system concurrently, which is it allows you to run more than one operating system at a time. So that's all from us. Thank you.